Happy Sunday everyone. Sobrang busy ng inyong Lola Vince V Vlogs. Ang inyong VVV. Ang bonggang-bonggang boom 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 boom. Kumusta na yan mga ka-YouTuber? Of course, today is Sunday. Happy Sunday, di ba? Busy ang Lola VVV. We're going to Harbor View because we have a 5th year anniversary today. Magpe-perform na naman ang inyong bonggang-bonggang boom 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 boom.